New Chrome Auto Browse update is insane. Chrome's new Auto Browse feature is about to change how you use the internet every single day, and most people have no idea it's coming. Google just confirmed that Auto Browse is on its way to Chrome on Android. And here's what it actually does. You type in what you want done. Chrome's AI agent reads the screen, makes a plan, gets your approval, then goes and does it. You come back when it's finished. That's not a concept. That's not a demo. Google is building this directly into the browser you already use. So what kind of tasks are we actually talking about? Filling out long online forms, researching and comparing prices across multiple websites, booking appointments, pulling information from different pages and putting it together for you. Boring, repetitive stuff that eats up your time every week, Chrome's AI agent is designed to handle all of that while you do something else. And the approval step matters. Before it does anything, it shows you the plan. You say yes or no. You stay in control. Moves when you tell it to. Now think about what this means if you run a business or you're trying to grow one. Every week you probably spend time on tasks that feel necessary but don't actually move anything forward. Research, data collection, filling in the same information on different platforms, checking things manually when a tool could just do it for you. Auto Browse on Chrome is Google's answer to that problem, and it's coming to the browser that's already on your phone. Here's where the open loop starts to matter, because this is just one piece of what's happening right now with AI agents. And if you don't understand how to use these tools in a real business context, you'll watch them roll out and not know what to do with them. More on that in a second. If you want to know how to use AI agents like Auto Browse to actually save time and grow your business, not just read about them, come check out the AI Profit Boardroom. We've got a full 30-day roadmap built around using AI automation tools like this to get more leads, more clients, and more time back. 4 live coaching calls every week where we walk through exactly how to plug tools like Chrome's AI agent into your real workflow. 2,800 business owners in there already doing this stuff. Link in the description or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. Now let's get into how this actually works, because the way Google has built this is smarter than it looks on the surface. Auto Browse uses what's called a plan and approve model. The AI doesn't just start clicking around your screen the second you give it a task. It reads what's on the page, builds a step-by-step plan for how it will complete the task. It shows you that plan. You review it, you approve it, then it executes. That middle step, the approval, is what makes this different from just running a macro or a script. The AI is reading live content on real websites. It's adapting to what it sees, and then it checks in with you before doing anything. Sam Lessin, a well-known tech investor and former VP at Facebook, posted recently that browser-based AI agents are the most underrated development in AI right now. His point, the browser is the one interface almost every person and business already uses. You don't need a new app. You don't need a new device. The agent lives where you already work. Google is building directly on top of that insight. And here's the part that most people miss when they first hear about this. Auto Browse isn't just a convenience feature. It's a shift in how the browser works as a tool. Right now, a browser is passive. You go to it, you use it, you leave. Auto Browse, the browser becomes active. You give it a task and it works on your behalf while you're doing something else. Right now, this feature is confirmed for Chrome on Android. No hard release date has been locked in publicly yet. Google has signaled it's coming but hasn't given an exact timeline. So if you see headlines calling this a full launch, pump the brakes. It's in development and confirmed, but treat it as incoming rather than live. That said, the fact that Google is building this directly into Chrome rather than as a separate app or extension tells you everything about where the browser is going. This is the default future of how Chrome works, not a plugin you add, not a third-party tool you have to set up, built in. Now here's the part that connects all of this to something bigger. Google is not the only company doing this. Microsoft has Copilot agents running inside Edge. Anthropic is building computer use capabilities into Claude. OpenAI has been working on browser-based agent features too. What we're seeing is a race to make the browser into an agent, and Chrome on Android is Google's move in that race. The phone part is significant. A lot of people do a huge amount of their online work on their phones, especially for tasks like booking, form filling, research on the go. Mobile browser agents have been much harder to build than desktop ones because the screens are smaller, the interfaces work differently, and the touch-based interactions are harder for AI to replicate. Google confirming Auto Browse for Android specifically means they've solved enough of that to move forward. And the approval flow being built into the mobile version from the start suggests Google has thought about how people actually use their phones.